Hello. Welcome back to Feral Art, or welcome to Feral Art, whichever the case may be. This is the 1000 Below collab edition. I am this month's guest artist. And I have decided to make this a combine 2 techniques in 1 painting challenge. Now that can be as complex or as simple as you'd like. But first, before we get started, how you doing? Good. Today we have an Artist Loft 18 by 20 inch level 2 gallery wrapped canvas, which I have taped and pinned on the back. I'm back. Sometimes I get so excited about getting started I forget. So I have painted the sides and edges with one of my colors. It is already mixed with Floetrol. It's pretty transparent, but it should do the trick. So I am going to get you down on the canvas and we're just going to get started. Here's our 18 by 24. I am going to start off with a flip cup. So let's get our flip cup poured. I am going to do a dirty style flip cup. This is some drips that I have left over that I like the color of. I think they're really pretty, very sparkly. No idea what's in it. Looks like probably Payne's gray and black and I don't know what. Then we're just going to dirty layer in some colors. I have Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Liquitex Basics Deep Violet. I have some Willie B Cloud Mix made with the Viejo Pro Medium, Decollard Elegant Finish Emperor's Gold, some golden quinacridone magenta. Here is our dirty cup. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Put on. Ooh! My cup collapsed. Nice. So we're just going to let that sit for a minute. Do some magic tap taps. And a little lippy flippy action here. And we're gonna torch. So we're just gonna tilt this around. Sort of middle edge there, as if it were a corner. back to the middle-ish. Now we're going to work on this bottom part down here to get that started. I'm gonna layer this cup. Not using cloud white this time. I'm going to be using Amsterdam titanium white. Take a little of this titanium white, go with a little gold, and a little more white. Drips. I would like for there to be more of the pinks and purples here, so I'm going to go with the deep violet, white, quinacridone magenta, metallic cobalt blue, and I am going to do a wandering straight pour. Now, I'll take my little drips. I'm going to put some off in a cup. I just find that I have more control if it's in a smaller vessel. And we're going to torch this a little bit. First, we're going to go off of that corner down there. Now I'm going to go I know what I want to do. I think. Get these gloves off me because they are hot. I'm going to take this little blower right here, and I'm just going to I'm not going to do it on the bottom edge, but I am going to blow it over the sides. All right, I'm done. I'm stopping. All right, I will bring y'all back in just a little bit. Sorry about the glare. Okay, here are the wet results of my combination of two techniques painting. I had so much fun doing this, and it was really challenging. I kind of made it up as I went along, so I love this straight pour. I think this is so pretty, and I love this little corner down here of negative space. I love the colors. The lines are so pretty and wispy. I got wispy lines, you guys. Woo! And my flip cup turned out so pretty, I think. And I like the marriage of the two in the middle. I'm glad that I did pull some little wispies up through there. I do like the fact that there is still some negative space in there. This is going to dry dark. That's why I put the amount of white in it that I did, because these are dark colors. But boy, oh boy, am I excited. I would love to be able to show you better than this, but it's about the best I can do right now. So, what do you think? God, I love this. I think this is just so pretty. I've never done one this pretty before, I don't think. So yeah, I was making it up as I went along, guys, gals, folks. I found that that's when I have the best results, is when I don't really plan, when I just sort of wing it. And I do that more than I probably should. But anyway, there we go. Let's go look for sparklies. Okay, as you can see, this blue background had a lot of sparklies in it. There we go. Our night sky just got real lovely. So we have got sparklies to spare. I just really like this. I'm not going to make us look at the whole thing, mostly because there's a lot of it. This is an 18 by 24. I think I mentioned that. I might not have. I don't know. I was so excited to get started. But as you can see, the sparklies marry the whole thing because we used the same base coat. I really like this. I really do. Oh, look at that. Ooh-wee. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So yeah, there we go. I will see you guys when it's dry. Here are the dry results of my two techniques in one. It has been my honor and pleasure to be the guest artist on this month's 1000 Below collab. So let's just get in here. Here's my flip cup. Turned out really pretty, I think. And the star of the show is my traveling straight pour. I hope you've enjoyed this collaboration. I hope you will enjoy this collaboration. Andrea from Artabulous Creations will be after me. There's a playlist in my description box. So yeah, in the top we use the cloud mix. We got these neat little clouds. It's our night sky. And then here's our glory. I am so proud of this. I really think this straight pour tickles me to death. So anyway, Y'all have a lovely day, and I will see you next time.